Some homes are reduced to rubble, others are still burning. It's Wednesday, October 11th. I'm Michelle Griego.
And I'm Ann Makovic in for Kenny.
Right now, there are at least 17 fires burning across Northern California. This, a look at the biggest ones that are still causing major problems.
Here is what we know right now. The number of people killed in these fires, now officially 17. That is expected to rise. More than 2,000 homes and businesses are destroyed. Crews have been making a little bit of progress. The largest fire, the Atlas, is 3% contained. Two other big fires in the area, now 1% contained. And new mandatory evacuation orders were issued at around 3 this morning in the city of Calistoga for people north of Grant Street. Also, new evacuations in Sonoma County for Geyserville and the Agua Caliente neighborhood. This morning, new evacuations because of the Atlas fire as well. That now covers 26,000 acres. It is straddling Napa County and Solano County, where people are being told to get out. That fire has jumped to Wooden Valley Road and is now moving southeast. KPIX 5's Jessica Flores joining us live now from Solano County, right on the fire lines. Jessica.
And we are at Wooden Valley Road and Twin Sisters Road, and I want to show you what's going on behind me. Just moments ago, there were massive flames. You can see there's still a lot of smoke, but firefighters here, they put some water on it, and they are, of course, digging those lines, as you can see. That's because, look around over here. There's a home just about 10 feet away from where that fire was raging. This, again, Solano County near Wooden Valley Road and Twin Sisters Peak. There's 3 firefighters here that have been here for hours watching the fire snake up the canyon towards this home. They've been trying to basically get it to move back, but they don't have enough water at this point. So they're hoping it burns out for the most part, but when it gets closer to the home, they are putting that water on it, and they're creating those lines, as you can see right now, digging. As you can see, that firefighter digging right now. But what's fueling this fire, all this dry brush around, you can see it on the hillside here. Just fueling the fire up the hill, and also the winds. We've seen the winds move. You can see it right now. That smoke actually going towards me. So I'm going to move out of the way a little bit so I can continue talking here. But again, this is not too far from the Solano Community College. That is now an evacuation center where we've seen dozens of people parked in the parking lot there. They're just waiting this out, seeing when they can go back home. That's the big question right now for folks impacted by this Atlas fire. There are thousands of people that have evacuated, and they don't know if their homes are left standing or when they can go back home. Over in Napa, the Silverado Resort community, really impacted. We were there yesterday and we counted at least 40 homes that have burned to the ground, nothing left. But over here in Solano County, firefighters are hoping that's not the same story here. That's why they're guarding this home, watching this fire closely, making sure it doesn't continue to march up the hillside here. And we're here with them. As soon as they tell us to leave, we are gone. So guys, we are monitoring our safety and making sure that we're okay, but we want to show you just how close this fire is, just how hard these guys are working behind me. They've been here for hours. The resources are stretched thin. Firefighters have been doing triple shifts. They haven't had a rest, but CAL FIRE says that resources are on their way to help relieve some of these firefighters. Reporting live, I'm Jessica Flores, KPIX 5.
We hope they get there soon. Jessica, thank you.
Flames still tearing through Glen Ellen at the Napa-Sonoma County border and threatening more homes there this morning.
And we are joined again by Jackie Ward, who just got closer to the Nuns fire. Jackie?
Michelle and Ann, we just drove down Bennett Valley Road. We had been previously stopped at Sonoma Mountain Road, but they let us through because the flames have died down on that road there. But as we drive down, we see where there used to be ranches and homes, and now it's nothing. It's an incredibly depressing scene right now. A few families have actually come up to CHP officers who are standing by the road closures, asking how their homes are, and the CHP officers aren't releasing any information, but have told us that there is nothing left in this area. So right now we are looking at video from Glen Ellen. That's an area of about less than 800 people that live there, and the ridge of flames along Highway 12 just destroyed so many homes there. It's a very small area southeast of Santa Rosa, just south of Kenwood, next to Jack London State Historic Park. But Yesterday, we were along the Cavedale Road. It's a narrow single lane, and you can see the magnitude of this fire as it blanketed the hillside and terrified the people who live there.
Winds are supposed to shift again tonight, head back this way, so we're not real sure. Cars are packed, sprinklers are on around the yards and the rooftops, and we're just waiting to see what happens.
Mandatory evacuations have been put in place. Arnold Drive at State Hospital in between Madrone Road and Warm Springs Road, west of Jack London State Park, Enterprise Road, which is a road we just drove down, Wall Road, north of Trinity Road, and Cavedale Road, all closed. So right now, 3 bulldozers are out somewhere in these hills behind me, cutting down the fire line as best they can. CHP says that this is very thick vegetation, so while you can't see the flames that well from where I'm standing, they are out there and they are very strong, only to get stronger, as we've been telling you all morning, because of the expected winds. In Santa Rosa, Jackie Ward, KPIX 5.
Thank you, Jackie.
Many of the region's world-class wineries have suffered a major blow. Some have been damaged or completely destroyed. The wineries in Sonoma County fared a little better than those in Napa. The Chateau St. Jean winery in Kenwood is still standing, even though a trade magazine reported it burned down. But even the wineries that were largely untouched by the flames are still dealing with another big problem.
The smoke is so thick that the grapes that are still out there on the vine, they can pick up what we call smoke taint, and that'll get into the actual wine.
Workers at the Kenwood winery can't even get inside because the fermenting grapes have filled the cellars with CO2, and it can't be vented out until power is restored to the buildings.